Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pramod, and in today's video we are diving into the secret of building and maintaining the healthy habits. Whether you are aiming for healthier lifestyle, improved productivity or personal growth, this video is for you. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our helpful content. Now, let's get started. Understanding the habit loop. The first key to mastering the healthy habit is understanding the habit loop. It consists of three main components: the cue, the routine, the reward. Let's break it down. The cues are trigger that initiate your habit. They can be specific time of day, an emotion, or particular location. Recognizing your cue is the first step to building a solid foundation for a new habit. Next up is the routine. The actual behavior or action you want to turn into your habit, whether it's exercising, reading, or practicing mindfulness, choosing the routine that align with your goal. Finally, we have rewards. This is the positive reinforcement that follows your routine. It could be the sense of accomplishment, a treat, or any form of satisfaction. The reward strengthens the habit loop, making you more likely to repeat the behavior, which is the cue routine reward. Thank you.